Panini Prizm 2024 NBA basketball. See what we can get. Rasheed Wallace, Ron Holland, the second rookie card. T. Salon, rookie. Trae Young, Kate Cunningham, Tyler Harrow. Ooh, look at these. Woohoo! Nice. Shai Gilgeous Alexander on the red, white, and blue. Fred VanVleet, red, white, and blue. Harrison Ingram, rookie, red, white, and blue. Nelly Aubrey Jr., red, white, and blue. Nice. Okay, Paul George on the refractor. We got Stephen Curry. Sticking T. Salon, rookie. Kevin Durant, Jaden Ivey, Kelly Olynyk, and Nas Reed. Nice. Really nice. We got to see what these are worth. That's awesome. Awesome pack.